This Calphalon Cast Iron Skillet is my secret to perfectly seared steaks. It works wonders on the stovetop in the oven. I even use it on my gas grill and in my pellet smoker for really great sears after cooking some meat. So if you're serious about getting that perfect sear, let me show you all about this cast iron skillet from Calphalon. It is a game changer. Okay. Here are just some of my favorite dishes. This is broccoli rabe, and here is pellet smoker scallops. So easy and quick to make. It's so great because the skillet heats evenly, creating a beautifully seared crust while keeping the inside tender and juicy of your seafood or your meats, your pork, whatever it is, whether you're finishing steaks in the oven or you want to add some flavor on the grill with that yummy seared caramelized edge. This skillet is great every time. I use it for brunches as well. I can make something like an apple crisp in it, or I can make my potatoes and chorizos dish with an egg on top. It's super yummy every single time. And this actually comes pre-seasoned. You just want to make sure to clean it after each use and then season it with some olive oil or avocado oil again in between, and it'll stay really great in shape for you to use for all of your cooks. You could also do some pancakes on it, so don't just feel limited to the meats I'm showing you here. I highly recommend it for anyone who loves perfectly cooked steaks and to use their grills in their cooking like I do.